Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to install Jitsi Meet on your PC step by step. Before we begin, it's important to know that Jitsi Meet doesn't require a dedicated desktop app for most users. You can use it directly in a supported web browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser on your Windows PC and visit the official Jitsi Meet website. Since Jitsi Meet runs in your browser, there's usually nothing you need to download or install to start or join meetings. Next, if you want a desktop-like experience, you can install the Progressive Web App, or PWA, if your browser supports it. In browsers like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, click the Install App icon in the address bar, or open the browser menu and choose Install Jitsi Meet if the option is available. After the installation is complete, the Jitsi Meet app will open in its own window, just like a regular desktop application. I mean, you can pin it to your taskbar or start menu for quick access whenever you need to join or host a meeting. When you launch Jitsi Meet, enter a meeting name to create a new meeting or open an invitation link to join an existing one. Allow access to your microphone and camera when prompted so you can participate with audio and video, and that's it. You now know how to install Jitsi Meet on a Windows PC using the browser-based Progressive Web App and start hosting or joining meetings in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next